There's a deer. He ran away. Shh. Good morning, everyone. And we're here to enjoy the weather. Kasi alam niyo naman, summer. Ando tayo sa Glenbow Ranch, Provincial Park. Si Remy nagwawala na naman. OMG. So, first time namin dito. And maraming cars. Mga less than 10. So, i-explore natin. And nakita namin sa Google to. And magaganda naman yung reviews niya. Remy, hi. Remy? No. I'm sure Remy excited. Yes, I have the leash here. You need a plastic bag?
No.
Glenbow Ranch, Provincial Park. Ito yung picture niya. So quiet. So bababa tayo dyan. Yung weather ngayon is hindi siya ganun ka init. So let's see what's in here. It says there's a picnic table. Parang liblib. So may nakikita akong picnic table. Gusto nyong mag picnic, day use area. Ito, interesting, may pagganyan pa sila. Tapos yan, and yun. So si Remy walang ginawa kundi hilahin ako. Okay, let's go.
Trails all behind there too.
Yeah, merong trail doon sa likod. Hindi ko maturo kasi gawa ni Remy. It's getting dark, babe. It's getting dark. Yeah. Kapag umulan, takbo tayo. Is mosquito? Yan, problema sa summer. Maraming lamok. So, continue tayo, lakad tayo. Oh, yan, meron tayong pa-trail dito, pababa.
Round 3.
Oh, it's okay, we're safe. So, nandito tayo sa visitor center. Kung meron kayong gustong malaman and to know more about the information, you can visit here. Tapos, paglingon nyo dito sa kaliwa, tingnan nyo man yung view. Meron dong river. Yun, kita dito. Tapos, yung yellow na yun is canola. Ang lawak. Sa amin, Mikey, yung trail dito is 28 kilometers walk. Kaya, mahabang lakaran. So, yung daan dito is stiff. Tapos, madulas kasi mabato siya. Si Remy, hinihila ako. Ang bilis-bilis niya. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Tingnan yung flowers. Ang dami. Iba't ibang klase. Ang gaganda. So you don't need to wear boots here, like hiking shoes.
No. Runners.
Runners, fine. And if you want to do a long walk, you can come here. Because they have a long trail, 28 kilometers.
Bike rides.
Yeah. Meron din silang potty. Magre-rest muna kami kasi si Remy, he needs to drink water. And then magko-continue tayong maglakad doon or doon. Thank you. Drink more? Good boy. Punta tayo dito sa pond. Wala siyang isda. Malabo yung tubig. Oh, yeah. Shaking. It's moving.
It's floating.
I feel dizzy. Remy, move. Yeah. And that's the Bow River. Kita nyo yung trail track. Yan yung dumadaan sa may airdrie. Tapos, ewan ko nakikita nyo guys. Yung mga houses dun. Ayun is Cochrane. Didevelop pa sila ng houses. Ang ganda siya kasi hindi siya mainit. Kasi mamaya 3 o'clock uulan. Timing yung ating walking for today's video. Hindi siya mainit. I mean, hindi siya sunny. Reminder, this place is not good for the kids. It's good for adults and dogs only. And if you want to lose your weight and wants to walk for hours.
It's good for kids if you have bikes.
Yeah, biking, yeah, it's good. But not for walking for kids. So malapit na tayo dun sa mga cows. Pakilala natin si Remy. Ayan yung mga cows.
Immigrants from England and built that home on
Okay.
the way to Calgary. For mere $10, she bought this land.
Wow. That's way
Yeah,
back 1893.
that's cool.
So mahaba-haba pa yung lalakarin. And naglalakad na kami ng half an hour, 32 minutes. And sabi sa tracker ko, we walked 2.29 kilometer only. Wala pa sa kalahati. Hi. Si Remy, bagsak nito mamaya. Right, Remy? You're gonna sleep all night. Because you're gonna be tired. So, si Mikey's nag-washroom. Nakita niyo yung houses dyan and then may bakante doon sa land na yun. Nagbibuild pa sila ng houses. Yung lugar niyan is Cochrane. Pinapalaki pa nila. Pabalik na kami. And it's so hard kasi paakyat siya. Kahit si Remy, struggle siya. So, check ko mamaya kung gaano kalayo yung nalakad namin. Back and forth. Kakahingal. Ang ating steps is 9,769. And then yung distance is 6.63 kilometers. Which is good. Active ang araw natin ngayon. Meron tayo ng instant cardio. Remy? Ito ako si Remy. Pagkainin niya lang ng tubig. Taas ng araw, guys. Ito yung super hot. Yan yung kapitbahay namin. May pa-flower sa kanilang property. Ang ganda nga eh, kasi purple siya. Nagluluto si Mikey ng steak. Steak for dinner. Sobrang laki. I couldn't finish one. Maybe half. Buti hindi umulan. Alam niyo kapag dating ko kanina, bagsak ako. Natulog ako doon sa sofa. Siguro mga 3 hours akong nakanap. And si Mikey nandun sa labas, sa balcony. Nakaupo lang siya doon. Init na init ako. So yun, parang na-energized naman ako. Gawa ko ng salad. Gusto doon ni Mikey ng salad. At saka yung onion rings. Yan, gusto doon na partner onion rings. Kain tayo, guys. Steak. Ayan kay Mikey. Rare. Hey, no! Get down! Gusto ni Mikey, rare. Ayoko naman ng rare. Yan ang aming dinner. Kain tayo, guys. So, sabi ko kasi kay Mikey, bago ka bumalik sa work, kain mo tayo ng masarap na dinner.